Long time no see. I don't know where or what happened or what I was doing the last time I had spoke to y'all, but I know I was living in Dallas and I no longer live in Dallas. I live in Houston, and I've been living in Houston for about a year now. It's been a lot has changed. It's been a minute since I've been on YouTube, and I want to show y'all my life in Houston as a graphic designer, multidisciplinary artist, creative, and entrepreneur. There's been so many different changes. Currently working on growing out my hair. I'm in a new apartment. My mission for the rest of this year, because it is currently July and we are halfway into 2026. I'm still working on building myself a community. I haven't really made a whole lot of friends out here in Houston, and I have nobody to blame but me. So today I am going out with somebody that I met through Instagram. We're gonna go do happy hour today at 5. It is currently about 3 o'clock, so I got a couple hours to get ready. I just miss having that friend, or having that type of friend where you just like go over each other's houses and y'all spend time with each other and y'all do girl time and you just talk to them and vent to them about, you know, whatever. And I do have people in my life that I am able to do that with, but they're not here in Houston with me. So I'm working on really finding that community for me, because like I live here with my man, y'all, and I love my man so much, but my man cannot be my only friend. So we'll see how far that goes. But yeah, y'all about to come with me. We about to take Houston over. It's no more sitting in the house. It's no more just working. I'm about to put me on the map. So anyways, I don't even know if I'm gonna keep all of that in. That was just a lot.
She don't like the rent. She don't like things crashing down. Yeah. She won't make a play. Baby, I bet that I can show you how. Saw her burning on the street, burning on the street. Smoke's my testimony. Smoke's my testimony. Just don't stand so close to me, no, 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 yeah. Unless tonight you'll be my only, yeah, yeah. See, she got her own way to make things go. All of the things I tried to keep low, feeling like I've been changing. So what you doing being a stranger? Singing I got a ticket but I can't go. I need a place I can call my home.
So I thought I was gonna have to be able to stop and get some lashes, right? But I'm not. So I'm just gonna have to do mascara and put some on my lips. But I'm currently trying to figure out what I'm gonna wear, and I'm like on a time crunch. This is I don't even know how. I know, like, I feel like all Americans pronounce designer brands wrong, but this is Jean Paul Gut. I don't know how to fucking say it, but this is I love this top, y'all. Like, when I say I love it, but I just wore it. And I just posted like a picture on my Instagram. And at the end of the day, like, who cares? This top is so cute. But I don't know. Let me see. Maybe this probably will work today. And I probably won't like take any pictures in it. Or I may delete like the picture that I got on Instagram and then take like better pictures. I don't know. Clothes are meant to be worn. I always have to remind myself, clothes are meant to be worn. I'm running late. I need to be out the house by like 4:30. It's currently 4:17. So let me show y'all what I be doing with my bags, because I be sometimes making it work. So this is the fit, right? This is what I take with my bags. Any bags that's kind of like got a handle like this, I gotta tuck it in. And then I wear like a slouch like this. I feel like this is cute, y'all. What do y'all think? I think this is going to be it. I think this is going to be what my fit is going to be. Now let me just do my lips and put some mascara on, and then we should be good to go out the house. This is going to be my fit. I think this is tea. I think this is so cute. Now I'm actually about to go out. Yeah, this is so tea. Oh my gosh, I feel so cute. I got this shirt off of Depop, y'all. I'm gonna have to tell y'all how I be buying my things off of Depop, because I shop on Depop all the time and I cannot stop. I am addicted. Anyways. Okay, so it might be super loud in the background. Y'all, I just woke up. I got the TV going. I got the washer and dryer going. And I'm currently working on doing laundry. Okay, so today is Saturday, and the biggest thing on my agenda for today is going to Pilates at 9 a.m. It is currently 7:48, and I honestly need to go ahead and take a shower and get ready for today. So like, happy hour with both, like with everybody that I had like met this past weekend went super well. Like, I feel very, very blessed to be like an opportunity to where I can meet people where I feel like we really, really connected. I've been living here in Houston for a whole year, and I only made a few friends, but like, I don't know, I just miss having that friend. Like, I just miss having close friends. I had a great time. I had a really ball, like with all the people that I had hung out with this weekend. It just was a very refreshing feeling. It was just so refreshing. So anyways, we're going on a run. It's currently 7:50 in the morning, and I decided that I wanted to go on a run. Wealth is health. Wealth is health. Yay. So we're at Memorial Park. We normally don't work out or run at Memorial.
That statement was
Can you
crazy.
just let me finish saying what I was gonna say? This is what happened when people listen just to respond instead of listening to just listen. What I was going to say, we normally don't come to Memorial Park to work out because it is very packed. A lot of people like coming to Memorial Park because there's a track. The park is nice, but like, it's 8 o'clock in the morning, right? And why I'm struggling to find parking at 8 o'clock in the morning. Back into this spot. Eat some of my granolas so I don't get, you know, I didn't eat this morning. It's the first thing we woke up and was like, we going on a run. So I put some of these up in my bag so your girl don't be feeling crazy. Out.
Are you recording me?
Yes.
You recording me doing this ass?
Why?
You said low.
Okay. My man. Yes, carry them boxes.
I got some
Halloween stuff out already. What about it?
Well, I want it. My mom had gifted me the ZZ plant. It's only $30.
So then why don't we just wait for